monitoring, like providing the first service, FYDI also can provide a long-term time series analysis, helping to understand the current drought condition within a historical context. As for Thailand, our results have shown that from 2013 to 2023, there's a clear the downward trend indicating that the drought severity over Thailand is getting worse over the past years. And then the most severe drought you can see happened occurred in 2016, followed by the drought events in 2019 and 2023. And this year we started to see the drought happening again since last month as well. So this long-term trend analysis actually can enable the better risk assessment and long-term planning. The third service is the statistical analysis. So along with the visual monitoring, FYDI can also provide the detailed statistical report that calculated the drought-affected areas for each intensity level. So actually, U.S. Drought Monitor provides the similar services you can see what I showed on the left, and we can do the similar for Thailand, like something on the right. So this analysis can target at any administrative levels. So you can have the statistics over the whole Thailand, or you can have the province level or county level, or even we can break it down to town or village levels with this statistics. So this service actually can enable the data-driven decision making, help policymakers identify the high-risk areas earlier, and then so they can reallocate the resource more efficiently. And then the fourth service is the drought forecasting. This is a very critical tool for early warning and proactive response to drought. Here I have shown the two reference cases demonstrating the drought condition and outlook products using China, which I was showing on the left, and then on the right, I was showing the example of the lower Mekong region. This is a research project for the NASA. So similarly, we can do the same research and monitoring in Thailand. So FYDI can provide a real-time monitoring and a 14 days forecast, which is the prediction of the regions that are likely to experience moderate to severe drought in the next 14 days. So by combining these two pieces of information together, we can gain a clearer understanding of how drought may evolve. So for instance, this is February the 3rd. So if you take a look at the drought monitoring data from the February 3rd, most of the Thailand are not experiencing the severe drought, particularly in the central and the western regions where the surface water levels are subdued, I would say. However, when you are looking at the 14 days forecast, we would reasonably predict that by February 17th, the northern and northeast part and most of the southern part and most of the Cambodia will experience worsening drought conditions. So this prediction can be validated when we see the February 17th monitoring map. This confirmed that the increase of the drought intensity in those regions. So this demonstrates how drought outlooks can provide the added value to our current product and enhance the forecast confidence. And additionally, we have generated quantitative reports predicting the percentage of the land at risk of the severe drought in the next 14 days. And again, this service can provide insights at both the national level over the whole Thailand or at sub-national levels. I would like to emphasize that, as I mentioned earlier, that we are actually developing an AI-based long-term drought forecast system right now in collaboration with the CNA, like the China Meteorological Administration. Once that product is completed, there will be a 30 to 90 days forecasting product. That product can be extended to Thailand, and we expect that product can further enhance the drought preparation in Thailand. The fifth service that we're providing is focusing on agricultural and drought damage alert. This is the crop distribution map over the Thailand, where you can see the central plain and then the northern and eastern regions have very dense agricultural activities, while the southern part and then the northeast part, some part of the southern has the relatively lower crop intensity. So the areas with the higher crop density are at the greater risk of the significant agricultural losses during the drought. So this is where FYDI can play a role, helping the farmers and authorities to prepare drought-related the crop damage. So for any areas of interest, whether it would be the whole Thailand or over a specific province or a particular cropland, FYDI can provide a time series of the drought indices by combining the past observations and the future, the forecasting. And this is further allowed us to assess the surface drought conditions, and we can classify them into different risk categories, from the safe zone to the lower risk zone, all the way to the high risk to the severe risk zone. So when the drought index curve entering the high risk zone, the automatic alerts will be triggered. So this can notify farmers or policymakers to let them know that to take timely response measurements, such as adjust irrigation, etc. So this service actually can help the government and farmers to minimize the crop losses, to optimize the irrigation strategies, or reduce the economy, the impact of the drought on agriculture. And our next service is about data access and delivery. To ensure the seamless integration of the drought monitoring data, Huidian, a drought company, provide API services to our users. They have two main functions. With the web-based function, users can search, access, and download drought data manually through the interactive web platform. And then for the users that with technical expertise, the API actually allow the automatically data retrieval user groups. So this can enable efficient data integration into customers' existing systems or models. So this API service ensures the government agencies, the researchers like you, professors at the university, to improve the operational efficiency to accessing the data. And lastly, we also offer the mobile app applications support, providing a real-time access of the drought insights in a user-friendly format from their mobile devices. So here I have included an example of our current mobile service in China, which consists of 4 key features. The first one is the drought monitoring, presenting a real-time track of the drought conditions on a daily basis. And then the second is the drought alert, which is showing the notifications for potential drought risk in the next 4 to 14 days. And then the third is situation analysis. This is a tool to assess the drought trends and impacts for any regions and customer may be interested in. And then the last one is the drought consultant. This part actually provided articles, papers, news, and this is where our company publish our monthly report to guide users in responding to the current drought conditions and drought preparations. So this service can also be adapted to Thailand. offering the farmers, water management, or the policymakers to a accessible way to monitor, analyze, and respond to drought conditions directly from their mobile devices. So to sum it up, this table actually lists all the seven key services that are offered by FYDI that I just introduced, along with their like practical benefits for Thailand. We hope that with the FYDI tool and services, Thailand can quickly detect and track drought and history their impact and respond more efficiently. However, beyond all those of the services that I listed here, I want to highlight one more important aspect, which is the customized solutions. Because we understand that each country, regions, or industries has unique drought challenges, and Thailand as well. So FYDI need to be tailored to meet Thailand's specific needs. So this is why today we have a meeting here that we are looking forward to discussing how we can collaborate to customize FYDI's capability to Thailand, ensuring a stronger drought resilience and better resource management. So I think I will stop here and open for questions and discussion.